So there are a few things we can do here now. So one thing you'll notice immediately is there are no images here. All right. That's because the seeds haven't run. And that's okay, because seeds are normally used for local development. Thing is, for this, my database needs some information about what skins to have in there. Oh, by the way, if you reflect, you'll see as well now. Console log's gone. If I hit refresh, hit refresh, console log's gone. So we just deployed. It's up. The change that I just made is already there, which is great. So now we need the actual images up on there. So if we go to fly connect, fly SSH, change that to skin rank. If you run this, oh, now it's not called skin rank, isn't it? So it's skin rank. There you go. So I'm now on the box, SSH'd into the IX shell for it. So if I run skin rank dot characters dot importer dot populate db, that will actually run the script to fetch everything. But there's a few issues here. Right now there's no persistent storage on the box. We need persistent storage. The other thing is my importer is very slow because I'm doing everything synchronously, and we have to do here to parallelize it. So let's keep that there until it's done. But for now, what I'm going to do is run. If we go to mix if we go to seeds, I'll get rid of this because I want to replicate exactly what I have in prod, right? So mix ecto reset. So now if I run this locally, I have no images now, right? I just got rid of them all. I could uncomment this and run it, and that'd be good, but this takes forever to do. One thing I want to do is utilize Elixir flow. So there's the idea of essentially parallelizing computations on collections using the built-in Elixir gen stage module, right? You might have heard of Broadway as well, which is a far more advanced solution for a pipeline of things. So it's the idea of you generate content and then you consume it, you publish it, consume it, and you pass it on to another one. But this is perfect, exactly what they're doing here in the example of the docs, where you stream a file, you're flat mapping through it, and then you're reducing it, and this takes ages, right? Or you could do this, where you just swap the calls to enum with flow, and you bundle in a partition. But let's try this, right? Because then that means that it should be splitting out all the downloads and doing everything separately. So let's try this. I mean, we could also do it with, rather than doing it per character, we could do it per skin. But let's see how we go. I've never used this before, for what it's worth. I've just heard about it, and it seems kind of perfect for what we want to do here. So I'm going to install Flow. Is Flow built in? Flow's not built in, is it? No. No, it's not built in. Flow 1.254. So mix. And here we'll install Flow version 1.2.4. Mix deps.get. Cool. We got pulled in gen stage as well. So now if I do that again, go to Flow and let's see how they do this. So instead of enum.map, could I just change it to a flow.map? I think I could. Well, not there actually, not that. So I want to read the JSON here. I've done that. that comes through as a file. File read happens there. And then I want to, I believe, because it is enumerable, I just want to do flow dot from enumerable. And then I want to do flow dot map. And then what does flow dot partition do? Properly partition between stages. So I guess I want to do that at this point. So flow dot overall flow dot partition creates a new partition for the given options. Yeah, okay, so let's default that to that. Flow dot map. And then when I'm done, enum dot to list. And then for each one we repo insert. Or, sorry, why am I doing this twice? We can just just do repo dot insert here. Okay, let's try it. Might just break. Mix extra dot. I mean, it is just working. I probably should have timed it before and after here, but let's see. Whoa. No way. That is mad. That is nuts. That's all it took. That. That's insane. Wow. Okay. Cool. Sweet. That's mental. Okay. Cool. All right. So we can do a few things here. So we'll add everything inside of fly docker ignore docker file lib skin rank slash release. Hello Ben Parker, how you doing? Do the rel directory. Am I missing anything else? No, let's do that. Cool. So at this point what we've done is just launch on fly. Alright. And then we want to add and then what we did is we'll add the rest, and this will be parallelizing seeds. So if you missed it, we literally we took in the last stream, downloading all these images took a good minute or two. Now, by parallelizing it across the 16 cores on my machine, it took a few seconds, which is, I really wasn't expecting it to be that easy. That's fantastic. Honestly, I changed 3 lines of code, maybe 5 if you want to be pedantic. And everything just took so little time. Okay, so that was amazing. We are, okay, so we're not running this. So if I run this, it should just, yeah, magically work. Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh, maybe it didn't finish? No, wait, there's everyone. There's everyone, I think. Do we have Roadhog? We do. Yeah, okay, there's everyone. I'm just failing to actually look at the images in the right place, which is fine. So we're looking for static images, skins, echo _ Vander. I think I did change something before around that. So if I go to landing live, look at where the images come from. Or rather, ooh, no. If we look at poster co, and then look at skins. Okay, so we're looking in static images, skins, echo classic. Are we not doing that? So here, oh, it's because it's, well, this needs to be relative, no? So where's the image? I'm guessing that's because it just hasn't got a relative path. So where is the image? Here it is. Let's try this. That's because I'm doing this. So we want that around. Skin. No. Okay. What have I done wrong here? Open a new tab. Do we have anything? No. No root fan for static images skins. That's okay because the endpoint of static paths are assets, fonts, images, assets, images. So images and skins. Oh wait, am I even going to the? Hold on. Is it because I don't need the static? Yeah, that's why. So I made a mistake when I did the seed file here. It shouldn't have the static path. That's okay. It means not sure how this path relative to works. Hello, Tony Silva from Brazil. How you doing? Relative to, yeah, so so annoyingly I need to get rid of the static part. I don't need to store stats. Okay, how about I'm going to be really lazy here. Replace leading static. What's wrong with this? Oh, replace leading. Come on. Should tell me. Leading sling. Oh right. Sorry, I'm so slow today. Yeah, I need to be able to replace it with empties. Cool. I'm gonna run that again. Run the reset, get rid of that. So that does all the thing, and then it starts installing everything, starts saving and inserting all the files, which is amazing. Seriously, this is so much faster than the last time we did this. So now if I look at this again, skins are now just slash images. If I go to this and go to localhost, it's still broken. Why? Oh, because now I'm adding a double, yeah, now I'm adding a double slash. Get rid of this, that was fine before. And now it just works. How cool is that? That's awesome. And then our voting logic still works, which is really sweet. All right, cool. So let's amend the last thing we just said. Oh, one N. Shouldn't force push, but you can when you're doing that. Okay, so